Have you ever wondered how some traders and entrepreneurs stay disciplined no matter what, while most stick to the bad habits and self-sabotage? Discipline is not about willpower. It's about mental alchemy. Lack of discipline can lead to overtrading, revenge trading, and even blowing your account. By mastering discipline, you are able to master your results. Stick around because I'm about to reveal the hidden formula to unshakable discipline. Here's the truth about discipline. Discipline is not about working harder. It's about alignment, transmuting resistance into flow, and viewing discipline as a skill, not a personality trait. It's something you can develop, not something you're born with. By working with me, we gonna be looking at discipline as XP bars, where you're gonna be leveling up through small, consistent action. Step number 2, environmental alchemy. Your surroundings shapes your habits. Doesn't mean you have to move or leave a situation, like leave somebody and go somewhere else. No. What this means is you want to set your space to set good habits. You want to optimize your space for focus and discipline, okay? Such as making your bed in the morning, food prep before you go to bed so you can have food the next day and 4 days in advance. Basically, imagine your current self setting your future self to have good habits, and your future self would thank your past self for doing so. You can also include the meditation, mental exercises like breath work, visualization, and anything else that helps you to shape your surroundings or space so you can have good habits. Step number 3, the rule of non-negotiable. The secret of making discipline effortless. Set 3 daily non-negotiable actions that reinforce discipline, such as what I'll talk about, making your bed or food prep. These are the things you can use: meditation, breath work, anything you can use to reinforce your discipline. Number 4, dopamine mastery. How to rewire your brain for discipline by controlling your dopamine. And what I mean by that, instead of get on social media as soon as you wake up, you make your bed. So a lot of times we do things what excites us. Like first thing in the morning, you might get on the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, scroll through for a minute, and time flies by. But instead, let's change that into doing a different action, like making your bed, meditation, food prep, anything along that line, to change your dopamine from releasing when you get for social media or TikTok, anything along that line, to other things that's disciplined and beneficial for your future. And what we're going to call this is the dopamine detox method. What it does is it will set your mind and motivation instantly. Number 5, the 2-minute rule. Make it discipline easy by reducing resistance. If it takes less than 2 minutes, just do it. Such as meditation, visualization, just do it. Food prep, just do it. Simple. That's actually an affirmation I use. Just do it. Why you think the Nike sign have just do it? It's just do it. If it takes less than 2 minutes, just do it. And when you're doing this, you reducing resistance, right? And when you reducing resistance, You changing your state of thinking or state of mind by releasing dopamine to the things that you want to do. For example, let's say you're not used to going out and exercising, but it's going to take a while. But more you take action, more you do it, more you get used to it, more you start loving it. Now you start with releasing dopamine for that. So instead of getting up in the morning, get on social media and release the dopamine, now you getting up, making your bed, have your food already prepped from the next day before. You got your bag made for when you go to the gym. So your gym workout clothes, your gym hygiene stuff. If you take a shower at the gym like I do, or anything along that line, like bringing a book like I do when it comes to get on the treadmill. Now you going to the gym every day, or just about 4 times a day, 3 times a day. It's excites you, but now you releasing dopamine. Now you getting excitement off that. So what you're doing, you turning that resistance into pleasure. Now it's becoming easy. Now you becoming the version, that disciplined version that you see yourself as in the future. Applying this to trading and life. How disciplined traders outperform emotional ones. And how they do so, because they discipline, they have boundaries, rules, strategy. They help them stay on track and be consistent in what they do. Now the emotional ones just go off their emotion. So it's hard to treat whatever they need to be treated to make them even become a better trader. This, not only you could carry this out through business, trading, but you also use this in fitness, personal growth, anything along that line. Remember, discipline is an identity. It's not a struggle. It's not a struggle. Discipline is an identity, it's not a struggle. Okay? It's something you can work on and you can get better at. By using these techniques, these exercises I'm giving you, you can become the disciplined version that you sought out to become. What is the areas where you want to improve in your discipline? Please leave it in the comment below and let's talk about it. And don't forget to check out this video that outlines how to control your mind in any situation. Right here. How to control your mind in any situation. That video will help you when it comes to trying to be disciplined and change the best version of yourself. Don't forget to check that video, and thank you for watching.